All right, well, welcome back. And we're gonna do goal 6's lab write-up, which is the Empirical Formula lab. All right, now I have no Nick. He's supposed to be right there, and he's not. But I can carry on without him. I can do this. So what we're gonna be doing today is mixing up zinc in its powdered granulated form. And zinc is very pretty when it's in its powder form. Get a shot of that. And you can see it sparkles a little bit. Mostly we find zinc more solid than this, but for what we want to do, the powdered form will make it go faster. Okay? Got that? And we also are using hydrochloric acid. We have 5 mils of that. The strength or molarity of this is 2 molar. Again, zinc will react with the acid regardless, but 2 molar because we had it, more or less. All right, and now the other important part is we have to have a clean, dry beaker to do this, and we have to weigh it. And I have not weighed it yet, have I? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and weigh this. This is going to be very important at the end. Okay, so 28.8 is going to be the weight of that beaker. Oh, see, no Nick, and I can't send him off to get stuff for me. This is so sad. All right, so 28.80 grams is the weight of the beaker, so make sure you mark that down. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put the zinc into the beaker that we just weighed out. Get all that zinc in. Oh, what a nice weighing dish. I like that. All right, and then we're going to add the acid to it. And we're supposed to let it sit for about 5 minutes. The lab tells us to observe any changes that may happen. So I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. Timer, 5. Why does it always do that to me? 5 and start. Okay. So right now, nothing much. As it goes, though, we're hoping to see some bubbles. Oh, wait.
Joy, this camera's awesome.
Is it awesome?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. So is the bubbling. That's awesome, too. Can you get that? Is that great? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes. So this is what's happening right now. What we're going to do after 5 minutes elapses is we're going to heat it up and speed up things a little bit to get our product. Okay, so we'll let this sit. Yeah. Time is up. So says my alarm. And we can see that we had some really good bubbling action there. So we're going to take this beaker. Oh, wait, I have a random mystery guest. Show yourself, random mystery guest.
You could rule the world.
That's Mrs. Baxter. She left me, though. All right, so, because chemistry does rock. We're going to go ahead and put this on here. You can still see the bubbles coming up. It's awesome. Lots of gas being released. And that gas is going to be hydrogen gas that we're releasing. So here, what I'm going to do is let it go ahead and cook. And you can see it bubbling faster. We're going to evaporate out the excess hydrochloric acid. Speed up the reaction a little bit because remember, temperature is a factor of the rate of a reaction. Increase temperature, increase that rate. There you go, getting some sizzling. Boil, boil. Good stuff. And right. This is the part where like watching paint dry is more exciting.
You're waiting for the hydrochloric acid.
We're gonna wait for it all to go out. Yeah, we want it. What we're looking for at the end, when we know it's done, is we should see a white crystalline substance in there, and it should look dry. The white substance is going to be our new product between the zinc and the chloride from the hydrochloric acid. So we're getting all the hydrogen off of that substance and also some excess water that might be in there. And then that way, just the zinc and the chlorine will react together to make zinc chloride. And part of what we're trying to figure out is what is the exact formula, what would be the subscripts that we need to show the ratio of how many zinc atoms react with chlorine atoms. Okay, so we're doing this by mass and moles. And it's bubbling. All right, so we're back and we have finished heating up the beaker. And you can see we have, oh, I have a lovely another random mystery guest. See, I don't have Nick, I get random mystery guests. This is Mrs. Georgianis.
Hi, I love these glasses. These are awesome. I hope I can keep them after I'm done. Yes.
I'll autograph them for you.
I would rather have these on than have anything happen to my eyes. So
see, she's been on the Oatry channel. She gets an autographed pair of goggles from Oatry. I love it. It's a great idea.
Thank you.
All right, so we have, you want to come in and look at this product here? Yeah, you do. This is the zinc chloride that we made. Now we want to get the weight of this substance. This is how we're going to get our empirical formula. Okay. So Mrs. Georgianis is actually going to weigh it for us, and she's going to tell me the weight so I can write it in for us.
And I'm doing that right here.
Yep.
And it is 29.10.
Excellent. So we have the weights of the beaker and our product to be 29.10. Now remember, the original weight of our beaker was 28.80. So you're going to have to get the difference between those two amounts to help you out with the rest of the lab. So the rest of the lab is calculations, so it's all up to you. Thank you.